Magandang hapon po ng June 11, 2024 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng June 11, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, June 11, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 650 East, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for June 11, 2024, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 126 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 54 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 42 million pesos for Tuesday, June 11, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for June 11, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.